acoustic version of Love Is A Laserquest by Arctic Monkeys is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. So we're going to start with a full G chord here. 2nd finger, 3rd fret of the low E string relative to capo. 1st finger, 2nd fret of the A string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the B, and the pinky finger on the high E string at the 3rd fret. We're going to strum down, down, up, down. E minor chord, exactly the same strumming, down, down, up, down, up. An A minor chord, same strumming again, down, down, up, down, up. And to a D chord, down, down, up, down, up. And that repeats for the verse. So slowly we have G, down, down, up, down, up. And to the E minor, down, down, up, down, up. A minor, down, down, up, down, up, and finally the D, down, down, up, down. Okay, more up to speed. There's a 1-bar link to take us into the chorus. We just stay on that D chord after we finish the last chord in the verse, and we just play exactly the same rhythm again. So down, down, up, down. Okay, so coming out of the verse, we have the G, E minor, A minor, D, D, and then into the chorus. So the chorus actually uses pretty much the same rhythm throughout as well. We start on the C chord with the down, down, up, down, up. Go to a D, same rhythm. G. And a C. Stay on the C again. A slight change here, we go to a D and we just strum down, down, up. Then to a C, down, down, up. And to a G for 2 bars. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so one more time through the chorus there. We have the C, D, G, C, stay on the C, then a quick D, quick C, G. And again, C, D, G, C, C, quick D, quick C, G. When we come out with the 2nd verse, there's a slightly different linking section. It's still a D chord, but we're going to start on the 1 hands with Mr. First Drum, up, down, up, down. Okay, up, down, up, down. So you'd have the whole verse, G, E minor, A minor, D is normal, up, down, up, down, up, and then we're into the 2nd chorus. The 2nd chorus is exactly the same as the first, it just ends differently. So after we play this, the quick D and C, the down, 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 come to a G, we're just going to strum it 1, 2, and then strum it again. Then we've got a little run. So strum through, 2 on the high E, open high E, 3 on the B. Then into our E minor chord, down, 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 down. On that down on the 3 there, we're going to aim for the high string. So into our A minor chord, down, down, up. And we're actually going to take the 1st finger off and go up, down, up on an A sus2 chord. So into the D, down, down, up. On the 2 on there, we're going to take the 2nd finger off and go to open. Put it back down. And on the 4 hand, we've got the pinky finger added there to the high E string at the 3rd fret. So on, off, on, add the pinky finger. Into the G chord to start over again. The first time through the chorus there is G, then the run, E minor, high, then into the A minor chord, the finger off, D with the little run. Let me go through the chorus again with the same kind of riff with a few variations. So we strum the G, down, down, down. So down, 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 and then we're going to go into that little run. So into the E minor, down, 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 down. Slightly different rhythm there. Down, 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 down. Into the A minor with the normal rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up. To a D, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that finishes off the second chorus. So the whole second chorus there is G, then the run, E minor, high, A minor, finger off, D, run, G, run, E minor, different rhythm, A minor, D. The final chorus is exactly the same as the other two choruses, it just ends differently yet again. So when we get to the final two G chords, instead this time we're going to play E minor with the same rhythm as normal. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Then to the C, down, down, up, down, up. Then the quick D, C, down, 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 up. Finish, single strum of G. So the final chorus there finishes off with 2 bars of E minor, C, quick D, quick C, G. Good luck with this one, thanks for watching and take care.